Hello everyone, welcome back to the Mitchells in Alaska channel. So today we got at the Alaskan sawmill, which is this baby right here. So we we have a log here that we need to make a beam for the cabin, and our mill will only do a 16.5-foot log, so we need one that's 21 foot. So we have that log here, but we think we can do it on our mill by sliding it once we get started partway through it, but we need a flat side on it first. So that's what the Alaskan saw is going to do here, is do that. So that's a 660 Magnum steel chainsaw. So we'll see how it does going through here. So it'll probably be loud. We'll probably all be taking turns on it, but I think Perry's about ready to fire it up and give it a shot here. So this is the first time I've actually seen one of them use myself. Big old saw goes right through there.
We might have hit a screw too deep.
That's what it sounded like. That's not good.
That's not good. Take these two here out. We'll try if that probably done my chain in. Well, it was going pretty good.
That big saw really wades right through there, don't it?
Yeah, it does. You see a lot of videos with the smaller saws, it's really slow, but yeah, it's in that one.
Yeah, that saw there, is that 90 cc's?
Yeah.
90 something. 97 cc's.
97 cc's, so that's
it's almost a dirt bike size.
Yeah, that's almost the size of a small dirt bike, so. Trying to get out the saw hit screw now. Except I may have to stop and sharpen the chain on the saw.
Get it. Yeah. See how bad it hurt it.
definitely slowed it down, no doubt about that. Not too bad. About 8 minutes of cutting down, maybe 9 minutes on a 21-foot log, but you got to keep in mind that we hit a screw halfway through to hold the chain on it, so it's pretty good to make a 21-foot cut that quick. It's a pretty powerful saw. We even have an electric one laying there. One of the Milwaukee Fuels. It was pretty impressive at height, but pretty handy to use on the mill. saw there really eats through there, don't it? If it hadn't dulled the chain at the halfway point, it probably would have went through there in under 5 minutes. All I've ever actually seen on YouTube videos is smaller saws, and you know, like 50cc saws. They sure don't wade through there like that.
92 cc.
92 cc's. That's still a big saw.
97, 92.
So our little bitty ones that you see us using sometimes, those are like 30 cc's. Then our main wood cutting saws are.
After I hit that screw, though.
No. Our main wood cutting saws are all like 50cc saws.
Definitely changed it from right
there.
It did, yep. Right there where it hit the screw, you can see how it changed the looks of the cut from, you know, from right in here to right down here. So.
Changed to see the wood shaving difference too.
Yep.
Yeah.
So it's never good to hit screws with a chainsaw. They don't cut steel very good. So anyway, you know, yesterday on the video that came up yesterday, I mentioned that we might try this because we were going to try to do a 21-foot log on our mill. It really only does 16 feet. So what we'll do is we'll lay this up on our mill and on the flat side now, and then we'll come in and come down the other side of it. Once we go as far as we can, then we'll stop and we'll drag the mill head and the log backwards, and hopefully we'll be able to continue on forward going through it. I've seen that done on some YouTube videos, so we're going to find out if we can do it. I'm sure we can. So whenever we get ready to start that, I'll probably do a little video on that too, because that'll be the first time we've ever tried that. So anyway, that's where we're at right now. Say bye, guys.
See ya.
Bye.